Hey Bestie, I'm Kenya and welcome to my channel. I'm so grateful that you are joining in for another unboxing video. Yes, you guys, in this video we will be unboxing this package right here from the Happy Planner, and it is all about a little surprise release that they have. So I can't wait to see the goodies up close, and if you want to see what's in this box, then you already know. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna just slice this baby open. Y'all, I cannot wait to see these up close. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be honest, we have seen some little sneak peeks of things, but it's nothing like having the product in your hand, honestly, for me to be able to really kind of describe it to y'all. So I'm so excited to just be able to have this, and just so grateful, like, in general. Like, I'm just thankful that you guys are on this journey with me, and that the Happy Planner, they're so generous. Okay, so I kind of got it sliced open. Well, I didn't do a really good job on the other side, so let me fix that. Let me slice it open. And y'all know we just dig right in here, okay? We're just gonna open it up together. And I'm gonna show y'all right out the box. So, surprise, you guys. Look at this. Okay, we will be flipping through this, but the Happy Planner is doing another collab with Disney, and they are doing the Villains. Like, can we get into it? Oh my goodness. So they sent over this, I believe this is the classic size sticker book, and it has 322 pieces in it. So we'll flip through that, and then this is the mini sticker book. So that's exciting. Okay, so we'll sit those to the side for a second. And then, you guys, look, there is a mini dashboard planner with Ursula on it. Like, I don't know, are you guys into the Villains? Like, I was wondering if they were gonna do this, and they did it, y'all. They did it. Y'all, look at this planner. Oh my goodness, you guys. These flip throughs are gonna be so awesome, because look at that color. It's like a watercolor design. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. Like, I didn't know it had a holographic, like, speckles on it too, you guys. So I don't know if y'all can tell that, but look at the detail. So that is so nice, y'all. So nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, so then, oh, they gave me some colorful dogs. Well, thank you, Happy Planner, because I actually, fun fact, I was going back and forth on whether or not to get the colorful dogs sticker book, because I'm like, oh my gosh, they're so cute. Once I saw everybody using it, and I don't have I don't actually own a pet. I actually pet sit from time to time for my niece. She has 2 dogs, and so when she goes out of town, we'll keep them. But, like, I think they're cute anyway, so I'm going to use these dog stickers, y'all. I'm going to use them. Okay, so then we have a notebook, and it is a 60-sheet Villains notebook. Okay, dotted line, and it's a big size. So, yes, you guys. So let me move the box out the way, and we're going to flip through these. So, like, yeah, it's a big size 60-sheet notebook, and it looks like it has Ursula, Cruella, and Maleficent on the cover. So some major, like, girl power villain stuff going on right here. And I love that they put them also on this planner. So, and, like, it looks like this planner is in the vertical layout, y'all. And then this mini got Ursula on it, but it's in a dashboard. So a couple of different options. Yes, you guys, and we got some stickers. So this is exciting. This is so exciting. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to switch over, and we're gonna flip through it, because I want to see all the goodies, and I know y'all do too. So let's jump right in. Okay, so jumping right in, here is the big Happy Notes 60 sheet notebook, and it comes on purple plastic mini disc. And we have Ursula, Cruella, and the Evil Queen on the front cover with a little bit of gold foiling. Our inside cover is a black stripe, and this is a dotted line layout, you guys. So here's the first divider with Cruella, and it says Feeling Fabulous. And you guys, look at this alcohol ink with the white silhouette. I love that of Cruella. That is so pretty. And we do have some alcohol splatter down the middle. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. It is purple. So I thought that was interesting. And then also on the edges of the page, we do have like this alcohol ink like edged. So I love like edge design. I love that they added a little bit of detail. Like, that's nice. And then on the back of each page, we do have Maleficent, her silhouette, and it says big plans and evil ideas. Very villain-like, right? So then here's the Evil Queen, and her says strong at heart. And here's her alcohol with the white silhouette on the back. Same spine and edge design with Maleficent silhouette on the back. And then you guys, we got Ursula, and it says dare to begin. I love the blue. That's pretty. And then here's the back of her divider. So pretty. Like, this alcohol ink is just giving. Love it. And so here's the inside of our back cover, just a black stripe. And then the back cover is very much like the front cover, just minus the foiling. Okay, so next up is our classic. It's a 2022 planner, and it says follow your fire. And you guys, look at the holographic splatter. Like, I just love that about this planner. Like, I love the extra details. And it comes on black plastic disc. The inside is a black stripe. And this is a vertical planner, a vertical layout. And y'all, look at Hades. Hey, how you doing? That's so cute. I like the little extra, like, character type stuff. Oh my goodness, we got Jafar and Ursula on our, year at a glance page. And then here are our month at a glance pages. And that middle spine is like, it's an alcohol type pattern too, with a little splatter, white splatter. And then here's our currently page with the alcohol ink design at the top and an edge at the bottom. And then our first divider for January says, I am not afraid, with Maleficent. And then we have her silhouette. So the layout is actually pretty clean. This is a black and white layout with, you do have like some splatter down the middle. It is purple, but you can't really see that like that is purple like that unless you're looking up close. So it wouldn't like mess up any like color design type spreads that you decide to do if you pick up this planner. Very neutral. And so the currently page for February is the same as January, so I believe they're going to stay consistent. We have Hades up to no good for February in this planner. And then I'm just going to flip back through the vertical layout just to make sure that it's cohesive, it's consistent. And yes, March is the same. And then we have the Queen of Hearts from Alice in Wonderland, you guys, for March. I was just going back to make sure. But yeah, they are the same. So we'll just flip through the dividers at this point. And this divider says, curtsy while you're thinking what to say. It saves time. That's so cute. Like, look at her little evil self. And then we have this beautiful divider for April with all the women on it. Okay, and then May is Ursula. Life is full of tough choices, isn't it? And then we have Cruella. It says, so they thought they could outwit Cruella. Like, oh my goodness. Have you guys seen the Cruella movie? Then we got Fearless for Maleficent. And then we have Scar, you guys. Forgive me for not leaping for joy. Y'all, if they give me some Lion King stickers, I'm just saying. That's my favorite Disney movie. Okay, and then we got a divider that looks like the front cover of that notebook. And then we got the Strong at Heart with the Evil Queen for November. And then we got Jafar. Not impressed. He is the epitome. His face, if not impressed, was a person. Very busy woman for December, Ursula. And look at that blue foil, you guys. So pretty. And here's our note page with that detail on the edge. And then the inside of our back cover is just a black stripe. And so pretty, you guys. So here's our mini, and it says Dare to Begin in that blue holographic with the black plastic disc. We got Ursula on the front. That blue holo is so pretty. That foiling, gorgeous. Okay, the inside cover is black stripe, and then we got the same like little name page. Hey, how you doing? From Hades. And then our year at a glance pages are the same as the classic size. And then we have our month at a glance pages. The spine is similar. Okay, here's our currently page. And then I noticed on this divider that the afraid is flipped. So a little bit of different details in the mini, you guys. Similar but different. Okay, so then here's the layout. I thought this was unique. We do have a little bit of alcohol ink detailing on it. And then the to buy checklist is colored in. So that's different. It's not completely 100% black and white. So it just gives us a little bit of color. And then it is the mini dashboard. So I'm just going to flip through the pages just to show you that they are all the same. And then here's February. And then we got Hades for the divider. And as you guys can see, it's all the same. So we're going to just flip through. And here's March. As you can see her shoes on that divider. So the mini is a little bit of a different scale. That's why I like showing it, even though the dividers are the same. But they did switch the order up in this planner. It's not the same exact order as the classic. So that's something to note. But the dividers are all very similar, minus the scaling of them. So, oh my goodness, y'all. Like, they did villains. Like, look at this. Look at Scar. I mean, they got to do Lion King now. They got to. Okay, so that's the end of the little mini book. And then here's our note page. And here is the back cover. And it's just Ursula on the back. Okay, so that's it for the mini. Now for the stickers, you guys. So on my right, I have the classic. On my left, I have the mini. And the classic has 322 pieces in it. And the mini has 414 pieces. And you guys, from the cover of these, it looks like we are in for a treat. So we're going to flip through them. And I'm going to do like a little side-by-side comparison of them. Just because, you know, they look like they're similar. So, okay. So we do have some full decorative boxes with some quotes in them. As well as we get some functional boxes down the middle of the classic. And in our mini, we get a little bit more of a functional box. And then some more decorative stickers for the second page. And this is Maleficent. Her color palette is that blue, green, purple, and oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. Okay, we're just gonna take a minute to appreciate the holo. Look at these stickers, you guys. This is different. Definitely different from anything we've ever seen before. And very on point with the whole villain thing. I guess they needed something else to pop. But look at that. I mean, oh my goodness. And so Maleficent, we do have, like, in the mini, she's a little bit smaller there. And the classic, she's a little bit larger. So that's something to take note of if you're interested in different sizes. And I'm just going to lift it, you guys. It is like, you know, it's like a foil paper. So very nice and pretty easy to pick up and stuff. So that's nice. Okay, so the second page, we do get some more Maleficent over in the mini. And then we actually... we get a couple of little splatters to get some more of her characters. And then in the classic, we get some more functional label type stickers, like the plan and today's task. We get those in the mini also on the next page. They're just a little bit smaller. And we get some more Maleficent in the classic. So that's nice. So you can really like deck out your planner like decorative wise. Like these would be really cool to use. Okay, look at Hades, you guys. His color palette is blue and green and gray. Just very like, I don't know, subtle dark, I guess, a look. Like that's his vibe. So, and he also comes with the holographic stickers, and it looks like the book is going to keep the same theme. All of them will get decorative stickers and some labels that may say different things that relate to their character. No good, not today. Feeling on fire today. And like I said, the mini does come with a little bit of a smaller scale. And it looks like we do get some extra characters. So I like that they didn't just give us just villains. They gave us more. And y'all, okay, he's probably my favorite just because I'm a Lion King fan. But here's Scar. And look at him, you guys. It says be prepared. And y'all, look at these hyenas. Like, oh my goodness. Like, Whoopi Goldberg, where you at, girl? Like, look at them. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. I can't wait to use these now. Like, for real. So, I love this. This hollow is just giving, okay? It is very luminous. Like, it is, I guess that's the word. But look at the little labels, you guys. And they maybe it's just a tad bit hard to see because of the hollow, but they say things specific to the character. Be strong, be prepared, things like that for Scar. Now here's Ursula, and she has red and purple. And then here's all of her little character drawings, her little illustrations. And she's just in various forms, like her head, and then she's sitting down, she's lifted up, trying to steal that voice from Ariel. Okay, and then this one, it says like feeling witchy, very busy woman, talking like, oh my goodness, they did it. Okay, so then here is Jafar, and I was going back to see if I had a paper page of Jafar, and I honestly, you guys, my sticker book actually came, it was missing a page. So, but we're just gonna keep going. So just imagine that it would be the same as the other ones, because on the front cover it actually shows it. Mine was just missing it, and that happens. So look at Jafar, you guys. I love, if you guys don't know this, I love Ariel too, and I love Aladdin. Like, Jasmine is my favorite princess, so love them. So here's Cruella. Oh my goodness, Cruella, girl, you are like, not today, not my day is what that sticker says. It says, hello darling. That's so her. Hello today. Like, she's so bougie. Okay, and then we have Captain Hook as a villain in this sticker book. And like, oh my goodness, make a cute little fighting scene with these stickers. Feeling villainous mood. And like, his face is a mood too. He's very similar to Jafar. They're just a mood. And then we have the evil queen from Snow White, her apple. And we get her in her different forms, like over the little pot and everything. So I thought that was nice that they gave us the options. And then hers say like things like strong at heart, get it done, today's task. And then, you guys, we got the Queen of Hearts from Alice in the Wonderland. And so we do get some more decorative and, you know, functional boxes with her. And then, like, she has her cursey quotes. So that's cute. And then, like, things like temper, canceled, today, always my way. And then her Queen of Heart label. Okay, so yeah, you guys, that's it for the sticker books. And I hope you really enjoyed that. I'm just super excited to see what everybody does with these stickers and these planners. Like, if you are a Disney fan, particularly a Disney villain fan, then this is definitely for you. See my description box below to see when you can get your hands on these items. I'll have all the details linked there. And yes, you guys, let me know what you're most excited about. Oh, here are the colorful dogs. I'm going to zoom into the back because I didn't open this, but I just wanted to show you guys and let you know what it looks like a little bit. It's just a small sticker pack. So yeah, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And thank you for being so sweet and so kind. And until next time, I love ya. Bye.